Okay, welcome to another video. This is a fill I really like to play. It's a eighth note triplets, so it's slightly different to what we've done before. I think this works really well on the fast beat and then coming out into the triplets instead of just always going for those fast 16ths. So this fill can be a little bit tricky as it has got one bass drum in it. It's not just straight with your hands. The reason I've put in the bass drum is it allows you to get a nice accent with your left hand to end the fill and get the sweep around the toms. So I'll quickly count this through for you. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play this really slowly so you can see the tom pattern. I'm not going to play it with a click, I'm just going to break it down as slow as I can. So this is what it looks like. So after you come out, you want to accent each triplet, and then when you've got the note where you miss with your left hand, so you want to make sure the note after that with your left you come down with a nice strong accent on the tom to lead towards the end of the fill. So it like smoothly transitions. So I'm going to play this along a slow click pace, just here so you can hear it in context with a click. So I'd focus on sticking around that tempo, make sure you're getting it right every time, nice and consistent, hitting that accent on the left hand before you come around the toms. Once you've got that down, start cranking up the tempo slowly. We're just going to jump straight in at 180. We're going to play it between a beat, just so you can get more of a context of what it would sound like in the song. Here we go.